All right, going to be taking a look at VDRM. This is number 2 for the stock contest. You can join into the contest over here on Investors Hangout MVP board. The contest starts on Friday, right around the close time. Take a look at the chart. The last time that we looked at this one, the last time out of how many times we went through this one, so many times. But right here with that red line, to give you an exact price, was going to be at, either way, off of watching our videos, when I put that on a watch and I said chart is set up here, you guys would have definitely gained off of that. You guys would have almost a double. So congratulations to everybody who watches our videos. This is what you benefit from watching these stocks way down here at the bottom. You guys broke through this resistance level that I was watching over here at the 2-cent mark, right around there. 0.201, give or take. You guys get the point, but it's right there within a fraction. Try to keep it that way. I said can still keep going as long as buying continues. Large gap, 0146 chart is set up. So I made sure that I put in all scenarios. And then you're like, what happened, Dave? What the next day? It's red. This is where you can learn. Let's go over to YouTube and look for the video. Penny stock gap ups don't do this. And you'll see what happened here and why. So it pulled back down, and now you're getting a bounce off of that now. Off of that level at, again, that resistance level. I personally think that it's going to sideways trade here maybe for a few days, but I think that it's going to hold above that 0.2 mark, in my opinion. And what you could see happen here, if I can get my fancy pen out, you guys know how I am with drawing, and do this. What you might see is this eagle nose, I guess I could start calling it, a good new term to chart analysis. But you're going to start seeing this starting to form out. What is that? Is when this starts pulling down to that 10-day simple moving average and possibly bouncing off of there. So as this 10-day simple moving average creeps up, the price basically pulls down to it, consolidates sideways or slightly pull down, and then bounce off that level is very possible. You guys seen that here happen here? Exactly happen here. Look at the exact same setup, but it couldn't hold that 10-day and went down that 20-day. So I am going to add my notes in here. I think that I think that the chart's still strong. The volatility on the Bollinger Bands is spread it a little bit, but I don't think it's enough to really, get shaky.
All right, so there's no recent updates since the last time we went over it on Monday. I basically advise people to go check out their February 3rd press release, which is available over here on Investors Hangout. It's ViaDerma Incorporated targets online sales, wound care centers, and distribution companies for its Vibalicin product launch. The first Vibalicin orders set for Q2 2017, and also they had omnichromosis clinical study shows significant results. So they're obviously doing clinical studies on one of their other products that have something to do with toe fungus. And I guess in this press release, they stated that it had an 80% success rate, which the current leader has like a 17% success rate. So that's the one. Obviously, there's a lot of things going on with the company, so definitely it's something to pay attention to and keep your eye on.
Okay. But like Joe said, to get more information on that, all you have to do is head over here to investorshangout.com, get the message board, share your thoughts with tens of thousands of other investors just like yourself, company profile, time and sales, recent news, filings, and financials. I definitely encourage you guys, if you're watching this right now, hit that subscribe button. Stay up to date with all of our videos, and as always, get out there, share this, hit that like button, and I appreciate how many people have been sharing this video and our videos all over the web. Again, watch for that 10-day simple moving average to creep up and bounce off of it. Might go sideways for a day or so. Once you get down to that 10-day simple moving average, I would like to cover it again. That being said, VDRM, investorshangout.com/live to request the next stocks that we take a look at.